Got some new shoes at the cottage too. Got my old shoe holder. I have a new shoe holder. I've been needing to make a review video for these. This one and the new ones, because it's like the new one's super upgraded. So stay tuned for that video. I haven't even worn these yet. So why not? ACG, get some pictures, get some fresh fits pics for the cottage, right? Alright, let's do this. It was recording. So they're a bit tighter. So that's why I gotta break them in. I don't think I sprayed them, but oh well. They don't really need to be sprayed. They're kind of like water resistant and everything. They're a bit tighter. I kind of do like because it's so hard to put them on, especially like around the ankle. And then just like my toes kind of cramp, because this foot's fatter, bigger. So it's kind of like right, like the top of my foot and like my big toes a bit squished. Oh, they're so comfy. Oh my gosh, the fresh. Because my other ones I wore so much, so the cushioning's kind of molded to my foot. And these ones are fresh though, like the cushioning's crazy. Oh my gosh. Okay, Maya, you ready? Come on.